Process. Okay, process. Parang kaya nyo ako tinatanong dahil PhD na ako sa impeachment when I was in the House. Process, iba-iba yun. Iba yung sa House, iba yung rules ng House, iba yung sa Senate, di ba? And when you look at the rules in the Senate, napakagandang topic yan. Kasi masalimuot yan, mahaba yan, iba yan. You're sitting as an impeachment court if ever it is going to happen, di ba? So, mahaba yan. Tinitignan ko kanina yung rules. Parang form lang yung nandun, walang laman whatsoever. Remember nung time ni Senator Pimentel, di ba sinabi niya, nag-hearing tayo dito as an impeachment court. Hindi pa pala kompleto tong rules natin, ang daming kulang.
Pero hindi ba magiging guide yung naging experience nyo in the Corona trial?
It's some sort of a guide, precedence, etc. But again, mahirap mag-isip ng ganyan kung hindi naman natin parang pinangungunahan natin yung events na possible na mangyari. Ang sinasabi ko lang is that itong mga nakaraan and in history, even the rules ng impeachment, kailangan balang kasi ng mabuti.
So sir, kailangan ika-craft pa yung rules specific for these
you see the rules? Masyadong general. Kasya ang 1,000 kalabaw dun sa rules of impeachment right now. That's my comment.
Ipinangako ni na Senator Bato de la Rosa at Bongo na malamang sa malamang haharangin nila ang impeachment ni Duterte lalo na kung re-elect silang dalawa. Kasama mo pa si PDP Laban President, I think, Robin Padilla. Wait. Nagbago na? Well, ang sabi niya ay, magiging partial sitting senator judge siya kung siya ay may re-elect sa Senado sa impeachment ni Duterte.
Sir, you mentioned a part na alam namin na friends kayo with the Dutertes, hindi pa kayo set kung ano talaga iboboto nyo. Depende lang sa lalabas.
I'm not denying that I am close to the Vice President. I'm not denying that I am identified with the Dutertes. But then again, my decision will be made once I have studied the articles of impeachment at saka yung takbo ng trial, kung how the prosecution present their case. Titingnan natin.
Can we trust him? I don't freaking know, but